Hello everyone. Um, Today I wanted to talk a little bit about end of the year reading plans. So I was tagged by Rebecca from Reading with Rebecca Nicole, I believe is her name, her channel name, to talk about in the end of year book tag. But as I was reading through the questions, I realized that I have non-answers for pretty much everything. So I decided to just talk about some basic plans for a minute with you and let you know kind of my end of the year reading thoughts. So, first of all, I'm in the middle of a lot of books, and realistically, I'm going to finish 2 or 3 of them, which is fine with me. I do have a couple of big ones that have kind of been on hold for a while as I've been dealing with other things in life, and so those are going to carry over for sure into the new year. And I'm really looking forward to getting back to them. That's specifically Count of Monte Cristo and Rhythm of War. So I'm looking forward to getting back to those and finishing them up. So those specifically, but I have several others that I'm in the middle of, and I know I'm not going to get through. Just there's been a lot of busyness in life lately, and I've not been reading much, just based on other things that I've been doing. So I'm not going to finish most of what I'm reading. I should finish a few things, and hopefully have a chance to kind of talk about them a little bit here. And as far as other goals, I don't have goals on anything I specifically have to finish because I don't set goals like that anymore. I come up with plans, like I try to do like read or read type projects, or if you hear that, it's the dishwasher. But I try to keep my goals open and just let myself read to learn and to enjoy stories. So that is my goal in reading, and it's been going well. So I don't have anything specific that I feel like I have to finish by the end of the year or anything. There are a few that I hope that I'll complete, a couple that I feel sure that I will of those. But as far as any other plans go, I'm just going to read and enjoy what I'm reading. And in the new year, I have a few basic plans. I don't plan to make any big reading goals for the year. I might do a possibilities of some things that I'm interested in at the moment, and we'll see where that takes me. But I'm not going to set a yearly TBR or anything. I have a couple of buddy reads already planned for the coming year, so I will be working on those. Specifically, I will be reading Black Tulip with Kelly from Kelly Reads a Lot, and I'll be reading The Blue Castle. So I'll be reading the Black Tulip in January, and then The Blue Castle I'll read in probably February with one of my good friends that I met on Instagram. And so those are some of the reading plans that I have. There are a few books I'm hoping to get to soon. I am wanting to get to The Last Wax and Wing book by Brandon Sanderson very soon. It just came out, so I'm planning to order a copy and buddy read it with a friend as well. So that might be started this year, but maybe next year, and that's okay. So I'm looking forward to that. I've been watching a lot of movies lately, mostly Hallmark Christmas movies and things of that nature. They've just been what my mind has been craving, and it's been nice. It's been fun, and I've had some fun writing ideas. So there's some projects that I'm really looking forward to getting into in the coming months, and seeing where they go. So my voice has been weird. I kind of lost it for a while, and then I've been getting better, but it's still iffy. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, so basically my end of year reading goals are I continue, and I'm going to keep enjoying it, and I hope you do too. So let me know if you have any specific goals that you are trying to complete by the end of the year, and let's chat. See you next time.